Well, 2026, I expect to be a bear leg to the four-year cycle. We've experienced several four-year cycles since Bitcoin has launched, and this is no different than any other. The peak was in October when Bitcoin hit $126,000, and I expect Bitcoin to go all the way down to the $50,000 to $60,000 range this summer before things turn around in the fall.
And why do you expect a trough around mid-2026?
Well, first of all, the four-year cycle is really governed by the mining companies, and due to the last halving, mining companies had to start selling their Bitcoin in order to pay for new infrastructure, new software, and of course energy prices. So one of the reasons why 2025 was a little bit lackluster is energy prices were very high due to AI data center build-outs. So Bitcoin mining companies had to sell early. And that selling pressure is going to continue all the way through the summer.
Yeah, and with AI infrastructure spend, it's something the U.S. is doubling down on. So we could expect to see that more this year as well. And so will how will electricity costs, energy costs this year continue to impact crypto then?
Well, already in 2025, energy costs have in some cases doubled and even tripled in megawatt per hour. And I do expect it to continue to creep up, because where AI is today, it takes a lot more energy and a lot more infrastructure to get a nominal amount of increase in the actual data itself. So it's going to cost a lot more in energy. So I expect energy prices to maybe double again.
And what do you think, or how will rate cuts across the world impact crypto prices as well?
Well, I think when central banks globally begin to cut rates, we will see an increase of monetary supply and resumed buying in crypto and all risk assets. So I don't expect central banks to begin cutting, though, until the summer or the end of the summer, maybe even into the fall. Particularly in the U.S. The Fed still has Jerome Powell at the helm. Even though Trump has named his nominee, it still has to get past the Senate. And I expect the Senate to delay that for many months. And then even when he gets into place, he has to wait until the next Fed meeting to start cutting rates. So I do expect a delay in rate cuts.